Okay, lesson 4.3 is the angle side relationship on triangles. Pretty simple, be pretty quick here. I'll just give you two examples. So say you're given three sides on a triangle. AB is 10, BC is 8, and CD is, let's say, 4. Okay, and it'll say like order the angles, you know, from what's the smallest angle, what's the middle angle, what's the biggest angle. Okay, so you do need to sketch these out. You don't need to necessarily draw them to scale unless you want to, but I would say it's fine just to sketch them out. Kind of figure out where stuff goes. So AB is 10, BC is 8, and then 4. So maybe it's going to look kind of like BC, thinking like that, and then, oops, this should be AC, sorry. Screw that up, there's no D. Okay, AC is 4. Okay, so 8 here and 4 here. All right, something like that would be the setup. And then the angles, you can just kind of, if you drew it somewhat to scale, you can kind of see, well, there's this relationship that the biggest angle is actually, we say it's opposite from the biggest side. So here's the biggest side. So if I go across from that biggest side, I'm going to find the biggest angle. So the biggest angle is C. The smallest angle, we're going to go across from the smallest side. So if I go from this side and go across to the angle across, so the smallest angle is B, and then so the middle angle obviously is across from the middle side. That would be the angle A. So we'll say middle angle A. All right, so that's kind of the idea is, you know, you can just see, just based on the sides, we actually know where the biggest angles are. And then the opposite of that is if you're given the angles, let's say angle A is 100 degrees, angle B is 45 degrees, and then so angle C, they do need to add up to 180, so what's that leave us with? 35, I think. You do need to sketch it out, even though you maybe you'll get the answer without sketching that out. A is obtuse, so I'm going to put that up here as an obtuse angle, 100 degrees, just kind of roughly sketching it. B is supposed to be 45, and C is 35. Okay, so the biggest side is now across from the biggest angle. All right, here's the biggest angle, go across, BC is the biggest side. Longest, probably make more sense to say longest. The smallest angle, if we go across to AB, is the shortest side, and so that leaves you with across from here, AC is the middle side. Okay, so pretty simple idea. Oops, pretty simple idea there. All right, have a good one.